Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my very pregnant summer morning routine. I did a very pregnant nighttime summer routine if you missed that and want to see that, but I'm just feeling kind of emotional as my pregnancy comes to an end, so I wanted to remember this time in our lives, so we put together a little summer morning routine, and Bradley did a little bit of vlogging as well. A quick thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. You guys know that I'm an Ana Luisa ambassador. I love their jewelry so much, and they are having an amazing sale right now, 20% off of everything. That's the biggest sale I've seen from them. I will have the link down below where you can click and shop. My absolute new favorite little earring stack are the mini love knots in my first hole and then the Ashley kind of pearl huggies in my second hole. I am obsessed. I've been wearing that combo every day. They have tons to choose from for all different styles, but I just love how dainty everything is and how well everything goes together. They also make necklaces and rings, not just earrings, but those are my personal favorites. It's incredibly made quality jewelry at really fair prices, starting at just $39. They are carbon neutral, which I love. They use all recycled packaging. It's just one of my favorite companies, and I truly love their jewelry. I love every single piece I've ever gotten from them, and I wear them literally every single day. So again, they're having the best sale I've seen them have so far right now. You can click the link in my bio to shop if you've had your eye on any of the pieces I've shared in any of my other videos. Now is the time to do it. Thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video and supporting my channel, and happy shopping to you guys. Let me know what you guys pick up. So when Bradley got wind I was filming a morning routine, he took it upon himself to start it. So here's him filming him getting up. I'm in a really weird sleep phase these days where I'm literally up most of the night, but around 5 I can fall asleep pretty deeply until like 8, so I'm still asleep. And Ludo is with me. Bradley is getting up out of bed. He's really showing you every nook and cranny of our very messy house. Don't look at my office. And he's heading downstairs, showing our nasty carpets, my sandals in the way, and he is going to get some water. Yes, we've both been drinking a ton of water lately. It's the most delicious thing to me in pregnancy, but I guess Bradley needs water too. Oh, just kidding. He's using this water to make coffee in his coffee maker that looks like it needs to be cleaned up there. I'm gonna need to tell him to clean it. But he has the Smeg coffee maker. He likes it. I like it because it's really cute on our countertops. So he is making some coffee. And then I about died when I saw this. I was like, there's no way. But he's going pee. He's going to the bathroom, but don't worry, nothing explicit is shown. He cut out, you know, the pee and the penis, so we're good. He's just showing every single detail. Normally when I'm still asleep in bed, even if I'm not, he likes to play Fall Guys, is that what it's called? In the morning on his PlayStation, which they do have this on the Switch now too. This is a very fun game. I've never even played it. It's fun to watch, and it's fun for all ages, so check it out if you want to, but it's a very odd game, but it's very fun. Then he is so excited to show you all of our Disney World mugs. He just recently acquired the original Animal Kingdom one off of eBay, and it's his prized possession. I don't know anything about coffee, but to me this looks like way too much milk. I really don't know, but I don't know. So, okay, there's his coffee.
Good morning, dude. Let's go to the bathroom. And water the plants. Come on, let's go potty. It's cloudy.
At this point, Ludo and I have awoken from our slumber, and I bring him down and he goes potty, and we get to watering.
I know he's about to poop. About to get a really detailed shit shot.
No, you're not.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of you begged for more Bradley vlogging. Are you sure you want that? I'm just kidding. This is like my new favorite part of the day is our morning garden walk and watering. My mother-in-law recently came over and brought some, I think these are white, like mini Cinderella pumpkins, and she planted some for me in the failed bed, and they're coming up so nice and beautifully. And she said she planted a few seeds in each hole, so if more than one comes up, just pick the strongest one, pick up everything else. And it's looking really nice, so I'm excited about that. And we have one watermelon that's doing pretty good. Ludo is, of course, here to help. And I actually harvested some tomatoes these days, so I picked some of the cherry tomatoes and some of our Roma tomatoes. The garden is still a work in progress, and like I've said in many videos, this year is to learn. This is my first in-ground garden bed year growing. I'm used to growing in pots, so I feel like we're both still learning. But we're definitely having success with the tomatoes. I'm just learning about in the extreme heat of the summer what to do, and we're just learning. The zucchini are not doing great. They're all turning yellow, which I did some research and it says they need more calcium. So again, just more research, more learning, just more trial and error learning, and next year hopefully will be better. Bradley is putting some bigger tomato cages in some of the tomato plants. And yeah, here's an overlook. It was really hot this day, so we just really soaked the garden. If you have any tips on zucchini in really hot weather and zucchini that's turning yellow, please let me know, because the plants themselves look fine. And then everything turns yellow. We have some jalapenos growing, which is very exciting. I was trying to show you that we have pears growing. I really don't know if you can see that because they blend in with the tree, but I am so excited about the damn pears, it's not even funny. But then after the garden watering, we come in for breakfast, so Ludi has his breakfast. My latest breakfast of choice has been kind of odd, but I feel like this is a thing, it just wasn't a thing in my life, but bagels with cream cheese and then jelly on top of the cream cheese. Have you tried it? What do you think? I've been obsessed with this pineapple fruit spread on top of the cream cheese. It's literally life-changing. It is so good. So I've been having that every single morning. Then it's time to get ready, even though most days I don't go anywhere, but getting ready just helps me feel better. So I'm starting in the shower. I'm washing my face with the Simple Kind Skin Moisturizing Facial Wash. You guys know this is my absolute favorite. Then I'm using the Trader Joe's Nourish Microdermabrasion Scrub. I really, really like this stuff. It's very affordable and effective and right there available at Trader Joe's. And then I'm currently just using this Method body wash in the Wind Down scent. I don't really have an opinion on it yet. I'll keep you posted. But this is me, and here's my cutie dress. This is actually not a maternity dress. It's from Wild Knox from Target. It has pockets. It's incredible. I will link it down below. But I am just going to finish up my skincare, so I'm putting my hair up in my scrunchie, looking kind of nuts, but that's okay. And then I'm putting on my jewelry, my earrings. I'm putting in the knot studs in my first hole, and then the little Ashley pearl huggies in my second, and I'm just obsessed with it. I love it. And earrings are the only thing I can wear right now because my rings don't fit because my fingers are too swollen. And again, I truly cannot get enough water in this heat and in this laden pregnancy. All the water for me. Plugging in my curling iron and then doing some skincare. I am using this fresh black tea kombucha facial treatment essence. I feel like I've been using this in the last 3 morning routines I've uploaded. I really like this stuff. It helps my skin feel really soft, and I like the idea that it's anti-pollution. Who knows if it's actually doing anything? I just like the way it looks and feels on my skin. Then it's time to brush my teeth. I use the Colgate Sensitive Whitening toothpaste. Then I'm going in with some eye cream, another fave from Trader Joe's, the Supreme Hydrating Eye Cream. I just put a little bit of that on my ring fingers and just put it all around my orbital bone under my eyes. My eyes get very dry, so this is a necessary step for me. And then I'm moisturizing the rest of my face with the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacial Water Cream. I'm liking this for the summer because it's very lightweight. It's kind of like a gel consistency. I'll show you right now. But it is still very moisturizing, and it's a little bit tacky too, so it would be good for under makeup as almost like a primer. But it's just very lightweight, so I'm putting that all over my face. Then I'm going in with my pregnancy safe SPF of choice. This is the Tula Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel. I love this stuff. I've been talking about it my entire pregnancy. It has something in it that just makes your face glow, and it's great if you're not wearing makeup. It's great if you are wearing makeup too, but it protects my skin, and I absolutely love the way it makes my skin look. Then I'm using the Tula Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This is just like a little stick you put under your eye. It truly has a really nice cooling sensation, which is amazing for the summer. You guys, I am so pregnant and it is so hot and it's not enjoyable. So little things like this are great, and it adds a nice little layer of brightness under your eyes, almost like a little bit of shimmer. It looks really, really nice. Then it's time to use a little bit of movie magic to curl my hair. You guys have seen me do this 1,000 times. If you want to see my hair care routine, I'll link it up in the corner. But I just ran my curling iron through it. I really am only washing my hair once a week right now, which some of you are going to think that's so gross, but it just is what it is. And then I style it once a week, and then I just kind of let it do its thing. My sister recommended this hair serum, which I forgot to get a close-up, and I don't know what it's called, so I'll link it down below. But she swears by it. She says it's amazing. I'll tell you it smells really good. But I will also keep using it and update you. But I'm just using a little bit of hair oil to tame the frizz. So far I didn't see a huge difference from my BioSilk, but again, I will keep you updated. And now it's time to put on some makeup. So now a little bit exciting, we're in my office, which is still a disaster. I thought you wouldn't be able to see the stuff on the floor, but you definitely can, but just don't look at that. So I'm clipping my hair back, and then I am deciding which foundation to use. I've been between the Nude Sticks and the Butter Believe It Physicians Formula one, but this day I chose the Nude Sticks one. This one is a little bit more just like everyday, a little bit of coverage, no muss situation. So I just take it, it has a pump, which I love, and I pump it directly onto my Morphe foundation brush. Everything I'm using will be listed down below if I skip over something. And then I just stipple that directly onto my face and blend it in. I love the color match. I seriously, truly love this stuff so much. It's like your skin, but better with some extra coverage. I don't have to set it with powder. It's really comfortable on my skin. It gives me a little bit of a glow, which I still really like. So I just have been such a fan of this, and I've been using it for months, you guys know that, but I use it on pretty much most days when I decide to wear makeup. And then on the same Nude Sticks train, I'm using their Nude Fix Creamy Concealer under my eyes. I will have the shades that I use in these in the description box as well, because I don't know. But I just put a little bit of this down my nose and under my eyes, and then I just use that same foundation brush to buff it out. Most of the time with concealer, I like to use a damp sponge, but again, these products are just so no muss, no fuss. They just kind of work however you want them to, so I just use the same brush, blend it all out, and yeah, I love the way it looks. Thought I'd give you a close-up of how it's like nice and dewy, but it's nice coverage. I love it. Again, more Nude Sticks. I'm using their all over face color in Bondi Bay. This is their, well, they have many shades now, but this was their original bronzer shade. I love this thing. So I just take the stick and I draw it a little bit above my cheekbones and then on my forehead, and then I just use a big old kind of stippling brush to blend it in. It blends in so nicely and easily. It doesn't take like a long time. I love this shade personally on my skin, so if you have a similar skin tone to mine, I think you'll like this as well. But again, these Nude Sticks products, that's what they're made for. They're supposed to be like really easy, use them quick, no muss, no fuss products, and I completely agree. And this is a little bit extra. I don't do this every day, but I did want to share. But sometimes I like to double up the bronzer, and I've been loving this Physicians Formula Matte Manoy Butter Bronzer. It has a very intense scent to it, but I think it smells really good, but I just wanted to let you know that. And I'm using this Morphe brush, which again, I don't know what it's called. I'll have it linked down below, but I just love this brush for bronzer, and I just give my skin a little extra bronze, you know? So we're gonna do that. And then I also take this really weird brush, which I think was discontinued anyway, but I just put a little bit of the bronzer in my crease because any sort of foundation or concealer will crease in my eyelids, and I like a little bit of extra definition up there, and it just helps kind of pull the look together and everything looks nice and monochromatic. Then one of my very favorite products ever is this Physicians Formula Natural Defense Multicolor Stick. I think this is in soft pink or soft rose. Again, I'm terrible with the shades today. I'll have it linked down below, but these are amazing. I actually just bought another color. I bought the coral one. It's the best cream blush I've ever used. I just directly put it on my face. I use this Duo Fiber Sigma brush to blend it in, and it stays in place all day. It sets down really nicely. It looks nice all day. It stays all day. I'm just absolutely obsessed. I've been talking about that for like literally a year. And then one more Nude Sticks product. This is the Nudies Glow in Bubbly BB. This is a little bit more subtle than some of the other shades I have in their highlighter, but it's a really nice, like more golden champagne shade, but it's really, really nice. And I just put it directly onto my skin. I just put it on my cheekbones, my eyes, and my eyelids, and then I just use my finger to blend it out. I will sometimes use a sponge if I have it handy, but I find that my finger does just as well of a job. It just melts right into your skin. It's incredible. And for me, I think it's the perfect, just like everyday glow. It's not too intense. If you're not into like super blinding highlights, I think you'll like it. And then I do usually add a little bit more blush because I do really, really like blush. Then I am curling my eyelashes, and I'm going in with my fave L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. I have been talking about this for about a year as well. I just love it so much. I have the black brown shade. I don't switch up my mascara very often because when I find one I love, I just run with it. And this has been the one that I love, and I just am obsessed. I do like to, oh, Ludi's laying by the door. I do like to do 2 coats of it, and I curl it again in between. But I love this mascara so much. I ran out of my Gimme Brow from Benefit, so I've been using my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil just very lightly, like so lazily, it's not even funny. My brows are a mess right now. My brows are definitely Princess Mia before Paolo comes in and fixes them. My son is going to take one good look at my brows and want to be put back in the womb when he sees them. They're terrifying. They need to be addressed. We'll get that taken care of post-baby, but for now, I'm just spoolying them out and then just lightly filling them in. I love this brow pencil. I love the shape of it. It's really, really easy to just use and then blend out, so that's what I'm doing. Then I'm going to set the unruly things with the 24-hour brow setter, also from Benefit. I love the Benefit brow products, if you haven't figured that out by now. I like this stuff more than the Anastasia brow gel. It's just my fave. So I'm setting the brows, and then I'm going to add, oh, before I do anything, I need some more water, obviously. This is my Hydro Flask. I can link it down below. I love the color. But I'm going to add another layer of mascara. Like I said, I like to do 2 coats and then curl them in the end just so they keep their curl. I have very, heavy lashes, but this is the finalized look. This is what I do most days if I'm in the mood to wear makeup. Again, I'm not really going anywhere, but if we have visitors or something, or if I'm just in the mood, this is what I slap on my face. So yeah, guys, that was my very pregnant summer morning routine. I hope you enjoyed it. Just wanted to show you a look at the products I'm using and loving and just what our life looks like in this season of life. So I hope you liked it. I will be back soon with some more videos, but I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, everything I showed or mentioned or can link will be linked in the description box. I love you guys. I'll see you very soon, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.